Hi, welcome to Vision classes. It's classes for IGCSE, GCSE and A-level student. So today we have to discuss question from the Pure Mathematics 3 May June 2024 this year paper. It's a logarithmic and exponential function question. So let's jump on to the question number 2 and 3. So these two, question number 2 is ln x minus 5 is equal to 7 minus ln of x, and question number 3 we have is application of logarithmic function or forming the relation to the linear form. Both of these questions we have to use the basic concepts of logarithmic function before we jump on to the this questions discussion. So our regular batches and classes are going on continuously. Suppose if you want to continue with us, I have left the contact in the description box. You can straight away connect with us. Fine. So here question number 2, ln of x minus 5 is equal to 7 minus ln of x. Transfer ln to the left. So ln of x minus 5 plus ln of x is equal to 7, right? Now here we have a plus in between this one. So it's a multiplication. Ln of x times x minus 5 is equal to 7. Now transfer ln to the right hand side. It will be exponential function, isn't it? So it will be x times x is x square. Even expand this bracket as well. So x square minus 5x is equal to e to the power of 7. So here take this to the left hand side. It will be quadratic equation x square minus 5x minus e to the power of 7x is equal to 0. Now use your calculator and you will get the two values of x. So here, okay, you can see here calculator we have. So you can use the quadratic equation 1, then b is minus 5, then minus e to the power 7. So we will get the one value of x as a negative 30.7 and other value of x is 35.7. Fine. We have to just take the positive value of x. So this one is the right answer, and this is 4-mark question. 4-mark question. Suppose if you write these many steps, you will get out marks here. Fine. This is not possible because we have ln of x is always greater than 1. Alright, so that's a definition of even ln of x. I hope you understood this part. Then we'll jump on to the question number 3. The variable x and y satisfies the equation a to the power y is equal to bx, where a and b are constants. The graph y against ln of x is given is a straight line passing through the points 0.336, 1 and 1.31, 1.5 as shown in diagram here. Diagram is also given, and find values of a and b. So in this case we have to find out the value of a and b from this equation. So I have took this diagram here so that it will be easy to explain. We have to write the given equation. It's a to the power of y is equal to bx. Now use ln on both sides. Fine. So it will be y ln of a is equal to ln of b plus ln of x. So this will be, we have to write this equation in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So how we can write y ln of a is equal to ln of x plus ln of b. Fine. We have this graph is given in the form of ln of x versus y. So you have a 2 points and 2 variables. So you just have to substitute, simplify, and you will get straight away answer. So I will here write as this point a and b. So firstly I will substitute point a 0.336, 1. So y value is 1 times ln of a is equal to ln of x value. Here straight away 0.336 plus ln of b. Alright. So this is ln form, isn't it? So ln of a value we got. So this is equation 1. Then nextly b point is 1.31, 1.5. Okay. So substitute here. It will be 1.5 ln of a is equal to ln of x value is 1.31 plus ln of b. Fine. So from equation 1, so this ln of a value you can substitute here from equation 1. So 1.5 times 0.336 plus ln of b, and we have right hand side 1.31 plus ln of b. Now expand this part. Here you can do it this one straight away in the calculator. 1.5 times 0.336 is 0.504 plus 1.5 times ln of b is equal to 1.31 plus ln of b. Okay, now you can take this ln of b to the left and 0.504 to the right hand side. So 1.5 ln b minus 1 ln b is equal to, straight away I will write 0.5 ln b is equal to 1.31 minus 0.504. So we will get here 0.806 ln b divided by 0.5. So this is ln of b is equal to, we will get 1.612. We will get 5.013. This is b value we will get. Fine. Then from equation 1, so here we have equation 1. We can utilize it to find out the value of a. So ln of a is equal to 0.336, and here use this ln of b value as a 1.612. So if you add both of them, take a exponential power, a is equal to e to the power of, you can do it this one straight away in the calculator as well. 1.612 plus 0.336, 1.948, and e to the power of 1.948 is equal to, a is equal to 7.04. This is the answer we will get for a. You can simplify or correct up to nearest integer number. B is 5 and a is 7 is the final answer. B is 5. That's it. So that's a final answer. I hope you understood this step-by-step answers. If you want to continue for our classes and regular batches, I have left the contact in the description box. That's it. Enjoy the learning. Thank you.